Chapter 4: Big Data and Predictive Analytics. What is big data? Every action a user takes online, every click, scroll, purchase, and pause, generates data. Individually, these data points are trivial. Collectively, they form big data, massive data sets that reveal patterns, trends, and insights impossible to see with the naked eye. Big data is often described by the three V's: volume, the sheer quantity of data generated every second; velocity, the speed at which data is created and needs to be processed; variety, the different forms of data, structured databases, semi-structured files, and unstructured text, images, and video. In marketing, big data comes from website analytics, social media, CRM systems, purchase histories, email engagement, and countless other sources. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. It answers questions like which customers are most likely to churn, which leads are ready to buy, what product will a user want next, when is the best time to send an email. The process typically involves collecting data from multiple sources, cleaning and preparing the data, removing duplicates, handling missing values, building a model using statistical techniques or machine learning, validating the model to ensure accuracy, deploying the model to make predictions on new data. Amazon's recommendation engine is a classic example of predictive analytics. It doesn't just show customers who bought this also bought. It uses collaborative filtering and deep learning to predict what you are likely to want next based on your browsing and purchase history and the behavior of similar users. Every time you see a recommended for you product, that's predictive analytics in action. You don't need Amazon scale resources to benefit from predictive analytics. Many marketing tools now bake these capabilities into their platforms. HubSpot predicts lead scores based on engagement. MailChimp suggests optimal send times. Google Analytics uses machine learning to surface insights like these users are likely to convert. These tools make predictive analytics accessible to businesses of any size. How to collect and use big data. Here's how to get started with big data in your marketing. 1. Centralize your data. Use a customer data platform or data warehouse to bring together information from your website, CRM, email platform, and ads. 2. Ensure data quality. Garbage in, garbage out. Regularly clean your data, remove duplicates, correct errors. 3. Define clear questions. What do you want to predict? Better lead scoring, churn reduction, personalized recommendations? 4. Start small. Pick one use case, test it, learn, and expand. 5. Respect privacy. Be transparent about data collection. Comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Never sell data without consent. As AI gets faster and data pipelines improve, we're moving toward real-time personalization. Imagine a website that dynamically changes its content, offers, and layout based on who is viewing it. Not just which segment they belong to, but their current mood and intent, inferred from their behavior in the last few seconds. This level of sophistication is already emerging in industries like e-commerce and travel. The businesses that master it will leave competitors in the dust. In the next chapter, we'll explore computer vision, how machines see, and what that means for marketing.